Guys, I just wanted to show you this. I got this for my travel in Rome. I got so scared about stories of theft. So, I found this on the internet. So, this is PackSafe there. So, first of all, the body is supposed to be very sturdy. So, it's almost impossible to slash this material. And then, if you look at the straps, these are also thick and almost slash proof. On the other side, just wanted to show you. So there's a special, what do you call this? Lock or hook, right? So actually you can lock it so that it can't be, this one can't be moved, but as needed you can just unlock it there and then unhook, right? What you can do is to, you just strap it on the chair while eating. So, kahit anong gawin, hindi siya makukuha because you will lock it again. No? So, ito, yan. And then, pag binalik mo na siya, you just lock it again. Hindi na siya magagalaw. So, this one is very strong and then slash proof. So, dami ng safety features, diba? But the special thing here is this lock. So, this one, you can lock it. Magiging galing ay. There. Kita nyo? Nakalock siya, diba? And then, double feature siya. So, you just slide this bar and then put it here and then lock it again. So, double lock siya. So, ang tindi, di ba? Hindi na siya mabubuksan talaga. Ang tindi ng pocketer mo kung mabuksan pa niya yan. So, that's the third feature. Okay, o yan. Pati ako hindi ko mabuksan. Okay, anyway, ito na. Okay, na-open ko na siya, right? So, papakita ko rin sa inyo what's in my bag para alam nyo kung anong kasya, right? So, first is my big power bank and my cord na ano siya, papakita ko sa inyo yung ends niya. So, yung isang end is lightning, yung isang end is C-type, and then yung kabila niya is A, I think A ang tawag dito, and then C-type. So, very, very powerful, very versatile, no? And then, my anchor. So, I used this siguro half of the day. Ano na lang siya, 70% pa siya. So, okay siya. Okay? Ano po bang kasya dito? May pocket wifi. So, I also have parang my globe plant on my phone. The difference here is I can use multiple devices at the same time for my computer when I work. But also, my friends can also share here, no? So, paminsan, when we're together, we just use this gadget for internet. And then, I have a hand sanitizer spray, Sanicare mini wipes, a ball pen. So aside from my Sanicare mini wipes, I also have another pack for clean hands. So I have two types of wipes na hindi naman talaga kailangan, pero ewan ko ba. And then I have a small perfume bottle. What else? Ayun. And then, nakita ko lang sa inyo yung loob. As I mentioned earlier, meron siyang RFID safety. So, I put my credit cards here and my passport. So, ayan siya. So, the passport is here. And then, credit cards. Ayan. So yun. So, my trip is actually almost worry-free. Kasi nga, hindi ko na masyado iniintindi yung bag ko. Right? So, I just put it in front. Here. Ganyan. And then, pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung portable fan ko. Which is the Jisoo Life. So, para hands-free ako, it has a lanyard. So, ayan. Naka-on lang yung fan pag naiinitan ako. Okay? So, yan. Yan ang mga ko. What I pack or what I put in my bag and what I use as a bag. That's it.